अगेन सो गाइस टुडे आज हम रिव्यू करने जा रहे हैं हाउ टू फिक्स द काउंटर स्ट्राइक टू कीप क्रैशिंग माइंड गेम. सो आर CS2 मिड गेम क्रैशिंग carrying your customer strike to experience. Many CS players are going through this troubleshoot problem and it can be really iterating. If you are one of those players who have had enough of these mid game crashes, you are not alone. We understand your frustration and are here to offer our help. So Counter-Strike is a popular first-person shooter made by the Value Corporation and it's been officially released recently. In this article, we look into the reason behind these crashes and provide your practical solution to make your gaming experience smoother without interruption. So now guys, we see why the Counter-Strike to keep crashing in the mind of games. So now understanding why the CS2 crash is not important for finding the solution, here are some common reasons. CS2 may crash when older and mismatched hardware component and struggle graphic card can be lead to be instability. Player have experienced crashes after updating their NVIDIA graphics driver. They can occur due to the incompatible issues between the latest version of the Counter-Strike 2. Any issue with the DCOM setting can lead to crash. Poorly configured DCOM setting may disturb the issue's stability. Overclocking RAM to extreme speed up the result in the stability. When RAM is pushed behind the limits, it can cause CS to crash and struggle to manage increase the workload. Now, Windows 10 game mode designed to enhance gaming performance can something have been interrupted conscious on CS2. Specially launch option required for the CS2 can cause the game to the crash mid-match. If these launches option have conflict with the game requirement, it may be lead. If these launches option conflict with the game requirement, overheating components, especially the CPU and the GPU, can lead the game crashes. When the game component can reach the critical temperature, they may have triggered the protective measurement and causing the game crash. So guys, now we see hyper-threading, a feature around that is modern CPU can something cause a compatibility issue with the game like CS2. This issue might lead to crash during the gameplay. So now we see the some step how to fix the Counter-Strike to crashing mid-game. CS2 keep crashing. So to fix the CS2 game crashing, make sure you upgrade hardware and roll back to the NVIDIA graphic and adjust DOM setting. Reset memory overlocking, disable Windows 10 and game mode. Reviewing the launch option and temperature management and hyper threading adjustment. And now we see upgrading your hardware is a good idea. If your PC is old, you can consider adding more RAM or upgrading to better graphic card. This your PC meets CS2 need, making the game run smoother and crashless. Better sometime hardware handle the some better performance, making it work well and improving your gaming experience. Now second is rollback and NVIDIA drivers. If you think the recent update of NVIDIA graphic are matching CS2 crash, you can try to go to stable the driver version like F3 like 537.13. okay. Now remove the current NVIDIA driver. So you press Win+X and choose device manager, then expand the display adapter. Right click your NVIDIA graphic card and pick uninstall device. Follow on the screen step to delete these drivers. So get the previous driver. So visit the NVIDIA official website and driver download page. Put in your graphic card information into the driver and download the 537.1 driver or one you want to go back. Okay, now install your old driver and run the driver file you downloaded. Follow the installation instruction and restart your PC when asked. Rolling it to a stable driver to fix the issues between the NVIDIA graphic card and CS2. Crashing the during the game less likely. The third one is adjust the DOM setting. You can change the DOM setting to the possible fix CS2 crashes linked to this step. Follow these steps. So first step is press the Windows R, open the run box, then type this words and press enter, then open the component service window. In this right window, expand the component service, then computer, then right click my computer and choose property. In this computer property window, navigate to the COM security. Now under the access permission and click edit default. Make sure that everyone group has allowed to check the local access and the remote access. Mark the box that threads enable the distribute com on the computer. Below that confirmation default authentication level is set to be default. Then click on apply and then OK to save. Now restart your computer to apply the changes. These DOM game changes might be stop crash and related to the setup. Remember to restart your PC to make sure these changes. Reset them, and now we are moving to the fourth step is reset memory overclocking. If you are overclocked RAM and these causing a CS2 crashes, you should reset it to a default setting for the stability here now. Restart your computer. During the startup, press the key usually to access your BIOS or UEFI setting. The exact key varies by the motherboard. Consult your motherboard manually for the help. In the BIOS UEFI setting, find the section related to the overclocking or memory setting. Look for an option but RAM frequency overclocking. It might be named XMP and DOPC or something similar. Choose the option to reset the setting to the default and disable RAM overclocking profile. Then save changes. Then exit the BIOS and UEFI setting. Now move to your computer will restart. Then RAM setting back to the default. Now we see the fifth step. Fifth step is disable your Windows 10 game mode. If you are using the Windows 10 and think game mode is causing issue CS2, you can turn it off like this. So press Windows key, then setting. In the setting, click on the gaming. In the left side corner, choose the game mode. Switch off the game mode to toggle this display. By turning off the game mode, you can avoid the possible and conflict while playing the CS2 and reduce the chances of the crash. Now we move to the sixth step. Sixth step, review the launch option. To check and may remove the unnecessary launch setting in the CS2. To do this, open the Steam and find your game library. Right click on the Counter-Strike and pick the properties. In the properties window, set launch option. Look at the launch option instead. Remove any of think and you are needed or could not be. Game is unstable. Then click OK to save your changes. Clean up your launches option and make CS2 run better by avoiding the possible issues. Now we are moving to the seventh step is temperature management. To keep your computer cool and prevent from the CS2 crash, follow these steps. First of all, clean your cooling fan. Regularly remove dust and dirt from your CPU and GPU cooling fan using the compressed air and soft brushes. Now next is it helps to improve your airflow. Make sure there is a good airflow inside your PC and cache, arranging the cables neatly, adding extra caches fan if needed, and clean the cache clean inside. Now monitor hardware temperature. Use the tools like HW monitor or MSI afterburner to keep on eyes your CPU and GPU temperature while playing. Watch for unusually high temperature. Okay, so reduce the game setting to lower CSG to graphical setting and reduce the launch CS2 and go into the game setting by pressing the escape. In this video or graphic setting, adjust the things like resolution, texture quality and high quality and effect the lower level. Then save the changes and test the game to see if it is more stable. Now we seeing the lowering these setting and can access to the load on the PC and reduce the risk of the CS2 crashes, especially if you are a hardware tend to not during the gameplay. By managing the temperature properly, you can boost the CS2 stability and performance on your PC. Now we are moving to the 8th step is adjust the hyperthreading. To adjust the hyperthreading in the BIOS setting, follow these steps carefully. First one is restart your computer. Enter the BIOS using the specially key like F10, F2 or delete during the startup. Go to the GPU setting with your BIOS, find the hyperthreading or logical processor option. Then change the setting enable to disable. Then save the changes and exit the BIOS. Then restart your computer to apply the new hyperthreading setting. Please conscious about the changing the BIOS setting can be affect your computer performance. If you are unsure, refer to your motherboard manual and see professional help. Okay, now we see the ninth issue. The ninth issue is report the issue to the Counter-Strike team. If you are try all the fixes mentioned above, you can still facing the CS2 crash. It's time to reach out the support team for the personalized assistance. So go to the official site Counter-Strike 2 form norms and make a detailed post explain your crash problem and gives a lot of information about your computer and when the crash happen. So get in the touch within the valuable support directly through their official website or support channel. They have a special people who can help you to figure out and solve the problem. Connect with the official media profile of CS2 and Valve. Many companies check their social media for player feedback and your input. Be really helpful for fixing the problem. By doing this, you can actively helping everyone together solve the problem quickly and make the CS2 gaming experience better for everyone. Thank you. Have a nice day. Maybe these all the steps help to resolve your problem. Thank you.